So here I am burning the midnight oil in the rain, trying to get the Rambler ready for the wedding tomorrow. I'm going to take it to a wedding, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a very important thing I've learned in painting. And if you can see here, over there, that's pretty shiny and smooth. But then if we move over here, it's actually pretty dull. So here you can kind of see the difference from here to there. And what happened was, since I'm in a bit of a hurry, I thought I could put the primer, sorry, not the primer, the clear coat, right onto the paint. And it's the same clear coat as a paint, same brand, same everything. But it turns out it actually reacts with the paint sometimes, as you can see there. Now, this may or may not be dependent on what type of thinner you use, or I'm actually also using an activator. So those are a few variables. But if I actually wait till this dries for a few days till it cures, then I can actually use this. Unfortunately, I'm using this spray can stuff because I went to 4 different places and they didn't have the clear coat in liquid in the regular can. So I went with this stuff instead. Now if you get the stuff in the can, for some reason you can apply it right away. And again, so that might be the only explanation I can think of, is that there's something in the gas in the spray can that's different to a regular can of liquid. So if you're doing a paint job, just keep that in mind. A bit of orange peel, but this will come out in the next buff. So I'm not going to be able to do the clear coat today. It might be fine by tomorrow. And again, over here you can see how it's dull, and it's actually dry already. Whereas, actually I sanded this whole thing, but you can see a clear line there from there to there. Lots of variables when painting. Anyway, so that's the thing to keep in mind. And the method that I found that always works, and it works perfectly every time, is you do the paint, then you sand it to maybe up to 600 grit. You let it cure for a few days, and then afterwards you do the clear coat. I'm just trying to cut corners here because I'm in a hurry. Looks like I'm not going to be able to do it. Hope this helps.